Today is Tuesday, August 11th. It's about 7 a.m. So we're gonna run around here and show you some of the cicadas. There's another one there. There's one hanging here on the tree. Ain't that guy beautiful? This right here is Mark. This is Josh. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with those guys. I'm taking over here to the oak tree. There's a lot more of these cats hanging out up here. This one right here. There's another. Hey, get down. There's another one right there. Let's see here. So as you can see by some of the husks, there's usually, we counted, I think, 15 or 16 last night. Oh, this guy right here, he's gonna start splitting open in the middle. So he'll start splitting from his back. They come out on out. And I think there's one more right here. Here, we'll go ahead and put him up here on the tree also. That guy might have been sleeping, like he might be a little waterlogged. They need to give it a program. Oh, well, here's part two. Hey, get out of there. All right, then have a good morning. Peace.